production, the staff, the bosses. They've been guiding me through the process of everything. And to give you a brief description of my character, Clyden is very antipatico, as you would say. Very mysterious. Very smart as well. And yun lang muna.
Good afternoon, everyone. Thank you for coming sa MediaCon namin. Thank you for making time. I'm really grateful. I'm blessed po to be part of this, and ngayon isa na ako sa lead actors sa series na to. I'm really grateful po sa Viva, of course, to my bosses, kina Boss Vic, Boss Val, Boss Vernick, Boss Vincent, to everyone. Dahil binigyan po nila ako ng ganitong opportunity. Tagal-tagal ko rin pong hinintay na magkaroon ng ganitong chance sa show business, and eto na yun. So, ayun, nape-pressure po ako, pero mas nangingibabaw yung pagiging thankful ko for being part of this, for being the lead role naman. And yung character ko, si Sam, she's the social butterfly of the barkada. She's an extrovert, she likes to party, you know, to hang out with her friends. She's a model here, and I think yun pala yung mabibigay ko. Thank you.
Thank you.
Kaya ako, siguro same with Haya, specific na lang. Dream ko talaga kasi gusto ko yung mga overlooking view. So, parang kung if ever doon man, sana doon. Kasi, unexpected eh. Kunwari, pumunta ka sa overlooking view, hindi mo naman expect na magpo-propose yung isang tao doon. So, ayun. Yung pala, dream lang naman siya, pero baka magbago in the future. Thank you.
Kami ni Aubrey, dapat maging honest kami sa isa't isa. And ako naman personally, to make it work, to make the love team work, I think there should be genuine care for each other. Lagi yung tinatanong yung isa't isa, kamusta kayo, okay ba kayo? Kasi ako, I'm not being a gentleman to her because of the cameras, because I just want to, like, gusto ko makita ng mga tao yun. Ayoko nung ganung mindset. I'm doing these things for her kasi inaalagaan ko siya. Gusto ko siyang protektahan. Ganun po.
Wait, can I add?
Nagsimula po ako sa bahay ni Kuya. Naging ex-housemate po ako sa PBB dati. Then, for 5 years, I was in another network. And now, I'm really happy that I found a new family. Sila. I found my partner. And actually, it's a blessing in disguise kung paano mo nakuha itong role na to. Because being part of Viva was never really in my plans dati. Because I never thought of it. So when it was parang, I wouldn't say offered, but it parang, ano ba? Sige, sabihin na natin offered na lang. Nag-audition po ako for the role, and I just made sure na kinalingan ko, and I'm really blessed. I'm really blessed and thankful sa binigay sa akin ng opportunity ng Viva, ni Derek, and ng mga bosses, lahat ng staff. I'm really grateful for them. And thank you rin po sa tiwala niyo sa akin. I won't let you guys down, I promise you that.